Today we are going to go over on how to create a quiz on a specific topic in ALEKS. To create a quiz on a specific topic, the first thing you need to do is select your course. So I'm just going to select one of my geometry courses as a sample. We're going to click on Assignments, and then we are going to click on Create a New Assignment, and we are going to create a new quiz. Rather than just naming this Quiz 1, I would rename it using your standards. So let's make one for GPE 1, and we'll say that that topic is equation of a circle. I'm going to say we can start the quiz today, and I'll give the students until the 10th to complete it. You can change the dates based on what you need for your course. So I want to publish this to the student calendar so they're able to see that. Then I need to select the content. So to select the content, I'm going to say, okay, circles. Then I'm going to go to equations of a circle, and I'm going to select some different topics that would meet the standard for GPE 1. So identifying the center and radius, completing the square, graphing, writing it with the center at the origin, given another point not on the center. Let's say I want to do another completing the square, another identifying the radius, given its center and a point not on there, and identifying the key features. So once I've added 10 questions, I'm just going to shuffle them so they're in any random order. I always like to change it so the quiz can be taken a total of 5 times, and I like to record the best score. This is for summer school. I want to assign it to the entire class. If this was just for specific students in the class, I could click on Assign to Specific Students, and I could select which students I would want to assign it to. But I'm going to just assign this one to the entire class, and I'm going to just hit Save. So there we go. We can see my quiz is current. Now, if I want to just see what the students are going to see, let me just select Student View and click on Enter Student View. So we're going to see what the students will see when they log on to ALEKS. So this is just a sample student view. They're going to click right over here to the side, click on their assignments, and they can see right here that they have this assignment running, which is the equation of a circle. And you can click right here to say that we want to start. And I can just show you what some of the sample questions are. What I really like about ALEKS is that the questions are adaptable, meaning that no 2 questions are going to be the same. Here they're going to have to write in the radius and the center using completing the square, and then they'll have to use the circle tools here to plot their equation. Here's another one where they just have to pull off the radius and the center. And you can see the types of questions that they would have. And that would be the example of the quiz that the students would have. And then when they're done, they would just hit Submit Assignment, and then we would be able to see what their results are.